In this video, we will know how to fix FiveM current server boost failed to load boost data. Step 1, you just have to go to FiveM, right-click, and then open file location. And then here, you just have to go to FiveM application data. Step 2, open crashes folder here. Tap this one. And if you see anything here, all you have to do is to select all and then click delete. Okay. Now, step 3, go back and then click logs, select all, and then click delete. Step 4, go back and then click data. You just have to select and delete everything here. Once you have deleted the files in these folders, you can now exit this application folder here. Now, step 4, you just have to go to the search menu and then type cmd command prompt, click open. Step 5, you just have to follow what I'm going to type here. ipconfig space slash and then flush DNS. Click enter. After doing this, I hope it will fix the problem. If not, step 6, all you have to do is simply restart your computer and then go back to your FiveM application again. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.